Today is December 1st. It's 1:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I'm using a Lunt152 with a single pressure tuner. I just removed the secondary pressure tuner because I was getting a lot of ghost reflections. I'm using the MallinCam StarVision camera. It's a 11mm sensor, 1.4 megapixel USB 2 camera. Right now the exposure is at 17 milliseconds. Gain is at 2, which is minimum. I have the contrast set to max 200. Gamma is at 0.73. Black level at 10. And sharpness at 37. Histogram is at default, 0 to 255. And now I'm going to go to an inverse and see what do the prominences look like in negative view. Let me scroll in a little. Let's see how I can tweak those. Should I go to longer exposure or shorter? So now I'm at 14 milliseconds. Zoom is at 190. Let me check focus. Good evening. I'm doing a short broadcast on the sun this afternoon. What I have here, I've zoomed in on some prominences on the limb. And I have the camera in negative view. And I can show you the positive. Maybe I'll change the exposure. So go a little bit longer exposure, you'll see more detail, but then the sky starts washing out. I'm zoomed in at about 190%. Let me go back to 100. And then go back to an inverse. Some nice detail in the prom at the top. Let me zoom into it. Let me go to 200. Let me zoom now to zoom a little more. That's 300 times zoom. Not a bad little prom. Let's see if I can steady this up a little. back to positive. Go to maximum zoom. That's 400% or 4 times zoom. Let me zoom back out to 100 and then look around the other side of the limb. Okay, so let's move the disc west. Maybe I'll move it south so I go over the top. See if there's anything up there. There's something at about 230 position. Let me change the exposure. There it is. It's faint. It's not very tall. Try focus. That's about the best I'm going to get it today. Okay, let me keep moving over, move the disc further to the right. Okay, there's another area there coming in. Lower the exposure and keep from overexposing that prom. Then I'll lose some of the detail. Okay, keep moving the disc up. A little small prom at the bottom. That was the pressure tuner just bumping up the pressure in the Etalon. The pressure changes by a half psi, then the device bumps up the pressure. There's not a whole lot of detail in that, whatever that is now, but just a low prom on the edge. Let me go back to surface. Some detail on the surface, but not a whole lot today. Plus the atmosphere is not very steady here in Louisiana. Makes it really hard to tweak anything out. It was a little bit earlier, not a whole lot though. I could try changing the pressure in the pressure tuner. Right now the pressure in the pressure tuner is 11.9 psi. Let me try increasing it. Nope, that didn't do anything. Let me drop it a pound. Nope, did not do a lot today. Not a whole lot of detail today. Mm-mm. Let me see if lowering pressure helps. I think I'll lower it a little bit more. No. That's about the best we're going to get today, folks. I think I'm going to stop the broadcast for now. Hopefully later on I'll be doing deep sky with an 11-inch mid-Cassegrain and a 6-inch mid-Cassegrain, two different cameras. Hopefully I'll be on about 6:30, 7 o'clock tonight. Thanks for stopping by.